Stop there! Wind down now!
Wind down down!
Wait, you dey okay? I dey follow you talk. You see the press. I said stop. You see the press break. Why you know who they follow you? They talk. I be say I be anyhow policeman. You know see wetin I wear? I'm a policeman of the General Army of Nigeria. Are you okay? Where are you going?
Office.
You are going to office. So it's me. You are following to talk. That you are doing like the office. Which office? Where? Yahoo, you are doing Yahoo boy. See your pink lip. See the pink lip. Very good. Now you will define. See that. Where is the paper of this motor? Nonsense. You just look. We will not have it. They will not have it. They scam people to collect car. Very good. Only 2 paper. Now in Benz get a bit. Only 2 paper. Benz have only 2 paper. When they say na tipper, they carry. Very good. Where is the last paper? Where is attestation letter? Attestation letter. You don't have Oya Parkway. What is concern? Are you okay? You know. You tell me say your guy. Is this Oya? Go bring your guy and make your guy come do fraud door. Nonsense. You know we dey follow talk. You know why?
No.
What's happened? What's it be?
You have been the one talking, right?
Who be that? Who they follow me talk like that? Longest time, sir.
You've been the one talking?
No, he talking. I'm coming from this side. Why I hear we? I don't know what song with Officer Wood I doing here. I don't even know that it's you that is that. That's how God do things. Longest time, sir.
Why are you wearing 2 uniforms, military and police?
Actually, you know, sir, because I just entered FC, so we are doing costume day. So and I say, okay, let me wear police and wear army clothes is what I just like natural. I like army people because army people are the good people in this world. In fact, when my mother born me, the pampers that they wear for me is army pampers. So naturally, even when my pants for house is army pants. I even one Agbero army clothes that I wear to party. I like army. It's not. I don't hate army.
You love army, right?
Yes, sir.
Get into the car.
Yes, sir. Don't let me get to the car. But I don't like car. I get car sickness. If I enter now, I can catch epileptic. What school represents me? What so you enter now?
Me when we say I like barrack before.
Thank you, sir. What about?
I said get into the car.
No! Now your paper's complete. Oh God. I don't pass my bus stop, I beg. Oh God, man, now leave me my mama born.